He says a couple of bad words.
Alex, you recording?
He says a couple of bad words in Assyrian. He goes Arab Argo. That means like Arab Argo, like I don't know, like dick in your ass.
Hello. Hello, Alex. Alex, say something. Alex, pretty bird. Nice bird.
Alex, come on, talk, Alex.
Смейся, да? Laugh, Alex, laugh with us. Laugh.
Come on, Alex, talk.
What he like? He like some nuts?
Huh?
What he like?
He eats about almost everything.
Alex, what do you like to eat?
Except nothing sweet, like no chocolate, like bread. Like I'm gonna give him some bread right now. Here, Alex, you want some bread? Huh, pretty bird? You want bread? It's not time for you to eat. Okay, I'll give you some food. Hold on.
You on the camera, Alex? He knows how to fly, bro?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he'll fly away. Fuck yeah. He would fly away in a heartbeat. Alex, can I put your food over here? Can I put it over here, Alex? Good boy. There you go. There you go. Eat. There you go. Yeah. It's good. You like it?
What's it, sunflowers?
Sunflower seeds, bread, and I put some ham, a couple of pieces of ham. He eats about everything, except no chocolate, nothing sweet, no cake, nothing like that. Right, Alex? You like it? There you go. Nice one.
Take a shit, Alex, huh?
Nice drop.
He just laughed, like, look. You take a shit, Alex? Ах, блядь, койот.
I just hate it when he screams, dude.
Oh yeah, I remember.